Greetings, YouTube food nerds. Tack Nerd 1.0 here, and this is the GoWISE USA Air Fryer. Purchase this off Amazon.com. The link will be in the description below. This is a review and quick first use of the device. So here we go. So aside from the device which I've just shown you, you get this information included with it. You get this little page here, tells you something about it, I don't know, more pages, and then this nifty book of recipes. I need none of this because I am a man. I don't read. So I have chicken, I have French fries, I have cheap dollar store seasoning, which I am going to put on here, and then we're going to throw it in. And I'm going to throw in some fries also. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I'm kind of winging it, so hold on one second. Okay, so I'm going to put some of this on, put a lot of this on, and put some of this on. Now they say you do not need any added grease or anything like that, any shortening, anything. So we shall see. I'm just going to mix all this up. A little more. Don't want to taste it. Okay. You guys hold on one second. Okay, so this is the inside of the air fryer. We're just going to put in our chicken. Now this chicken was pretty much frozen, so I'm not exactly sure how this will go, but I don't know, we'll find out. And then, like I said, I'm going to put in a few fries also. That's enough. Don't need a lot. I probably could season the fries too if I wanted to, but I think that is fine. Okay, so put this in. Make sure it's shut. And again, this is frozen, so all right, you got to turn it on first. And then we're going to hit the setting. Now that says 380, but I thought I saw in the book, yeah, okay, I did read it, that they said 400 for frozen. So I'm going to try it at 400, and we'll go from there. And then you just hit power and it starts. So see how that goes. So you guys hang in there. We shall return. All right, nerds, we are done. Let's take a look, see how everything turned out. And there we are. Looks really, really good and smells amazing. One of the French fries, let's get this. Oh, you can really, really crispy. This is amazing. We get one of the wings. Probably could do them a little bit longer on the other side, but I don't know. Fries are definitely done. The wings probably really are done also. I might put them back in for just a little bit. Okay, so put the wings back in for another 4 minutes. I flipped them on the side, on the other side. Put them back in for a few minutes. They are hot and super, super crispy. that is about all there is to the mess. So you've got a little bit of stuff in the bottom here, a little bit of grease dripping down, but that is about it. Put that back in. I will clean that later. And there we go, everybody. Take a quick sample here. These are going to be hot. I'm sure you could probably hear how crisp they are. It's really amazing. No extra oil used on these at all. Not the fries, not the wings, nothing. They're crispy, crispier than I've had them at stores when I ask them to make them extra crispy. More so than I've done myself. More so than I've done in an oven. Really good. Just amazing. So, again, this is the GoWISE USA. They cost, I think this one was somewhere around $80 probably with shipping and tax. If you have Prime, you can forego the shipping. Again, I will put a description down below and a link to where you can get one of these for yourself, and I highly suggest you do, especially if you are on a paleo or South Beach or high protein diet. This is a godsend. You can get protein done in minutes and no extra grease, no extra cholesterol. Highly suggest it. So there you go. That's it. Might do some more videos on this later. Till now, TAC Nerd 1.0, and I am out.